If you are using Telegram groups wrong, and most people are, you are either getting ignored, getting banned, or missing out on the most valuable conversations happening in the groups you have joined. Telegram has grown into one of the most powerful communication platforms in the world. With over 900 million monthly active users, it is far more than just a messaging app. It is a community platform, a broadcast tool, a place where some of the most valuable information, discussions, and communities in every niche, from technology to finance to entertainment to sports, are happening right now. But there is a right way and a wrong way to use Telegram groups. And the wrong way gets you muted, ignored, or removed faster than you might think. Today, we are going to give you the complete beginner's guide: how to find and join the right groups, how to read pin messages, how to read the chat history before you post, what to do and what never to do, and how to be a valuable member of any Telegram community you join. Stay right there. What is up, everyone? And welcome to My Forever Gem, the channel where we give you the real story, the full picture, and never waste a single second of your time. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now and join the Gem family. Now let us get into the complete Telegram groups guide, because this is going to save you a lot of embarrassment and help you get the most out of one of the best platforms on the internet. This video is educational tutorial content based on publicly available features of the Telegram platform. Features and interface may change over time. Always review Telegram's own terms of service and community guidelines. This video is not affiliated with or sponsored by Telegram. Let us start from the very beginning. What is Telegram, and why should you care about it? Telegram is a cloud-based messaging application available on iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and through a web browser. It was founded in 2013 by Pavel Durov and has grown into one of the most widely used communication platforms in the world, with a particularly strong presence in communities centered around technology, cryptocurrency, news, entertainment, and niche interest groups. What makes Telegram different from WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger is the scale at which groups can operate. WhatsApp groups are limited to 1,024 members. Telegram groups can have up to 200,000 members. This means Telegram can host genuine large-scale communities, not just small chat groups. Telegram also has channels, which are different from groups. A channel is a one-way broadcast. An admin posts and members read, but cannot reply directly. A group is a two-way community where members can post and interact. Today, we are focused specifically on groups. Step 1. Finding and joining the right Telegram groups. There are several ways to find Telegram groups worth joining. The first is through direct invitation links. If someone shares a t.me link, that is a direct link to a Telegram group or channel. Tapping that link on your phone or clicking it on your computer will take you directly to the group and give you the option to join. The second is through Telegram search. Open Telegram, tap the search icon at the top, and type in keywords related to what you are looking for. Telegram will show you public groups and channels matching those keywords. You can preview a group before joining to get a sense of the community and the content. The third is through group directories and websites that aggregate Telegram group links in specific niches. A simple web search for your interest area, plus the words Telegram group, will typically surface directories with relevant groups. When evaluating whether to join a group, look at the number of members, the frequency of recent posts, and the quality of the conversation. A group with many members but very few recent posts may be inactive. A group with active conversation but a lot of spam may not be well moderated. Step 2. The most important thing you must do before posting: read the pinned messages. This is the step that most new members skip, and skipping it is the single biggest reason people get off on the wrong foot in Telegram groups. Every well-managed Telegram group will have one or more pinned messages at the top of the chat. These are messages that the group administrators have chosen to keep visible at the top of the conversation permanently. They typically contain the group rules, the group's purpose and focus, important information about how the community operates, and any specific instructions for new members. To access pinned messages, tap the group name or the pinned message banner at the top of the chat. Read every pinned message fully before you post anything. Why is this so important? Because group administrators spend significant time writing those pinned messages, specifically to avoid the same questions being asked repeatedly, and to set clear expectations for community behavior. If you post something that is addressed in the pinned messages, asking a question that is already answered there, posting content that the rules explicitly say is not allowed, or violating any of the stated community guidelines, you will likely be warned or removed, and you will have nobody to blame but yourself. Reading the pinned messages takes 2 minutes. It saves you from looking like a newcomer who does not respect the community. Step 3. Read the recent chat history before you post. This is the second most important step that new members consistently skip, and it is the source of one of the most common complaints from experienced group members. The new person who joins and immediately asks a question that was answered in detail in the last 10 messages. Before you post anything in a new group, scroll back through at least the last 30 to 50 messages. Get a feel for the conversation. Understand what has recently been discussed. Check whether your question or contribution has already been addressed. This serves multiple purposes. It shows respect for the community and the ongoing conversation. It prevents you from spamming the group with duplicate content. It helps you understand the tone and culture of the group, whether it is formal or casual, whether humor is welcome, what topics are considered off-topic, and it ensures that whatever you contribute adds something new rather than repeating what has already been said. In a fast-moving group, this may mean scrolling back through quite a few messages. In a slower group, it may mean reading back through the last few hours or days of conversation. The effort is worth it. Communities value members who engage thoughtfully, rather than people who just drop questions and disappear. Hey, if this guide is helping you use Telegram more effectively, hit that like button right now and subscribe to My Forever Gem. We have a full series of tech guides coming. Facebook groups, VPNs for streaming, the best streaming devices, and more. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss any of it. Drop a comment and tell me, what Telegram groups are you part of? Now back to the guide. Step 4. How to post without being a spammer. Spamming is the fastest way to get removed from any Telegram group. And spam in the context of Telegram groups does not just mean sending the same message repeatedly. It includes several behaviors that new members often engage in without realizing they are problematic. Posting the same message in multiple groups simultaneously. This is one of the most common forms of spam, and group admins can usually spot it instantly because the message looks copy-pasted and does not relate specifically to the conversation in their group. Posting promotional content without permission. Most groups have specific rules about self-promotion, sharing links, and advertising products or services. Always check the rules before sharing any promotional content. In many groups, this is simply not allowed. In others, it is allowed in specific dedicated threads or at specific times. Sending multiple short messages in rapid succession instead of composing a single, thoughtful message. Multiple consecutive short messages push other content out of the chat and are generally considered disruptive in community settings. Tagging multiple people unnecessarily. Only tag or mention specific people if you have a genuine reason to bring something to their specific attention. Going off topic. Every group has a purpose and a focus. Posting content that is unrelated to that focus, no matter how interesting you think it is considered disruptive. If you are not sure whether something is on topic, ask in the group before posting. Step 5. How to engage positively and build a reputation in a Telegram group. Getting the basics right. Reading the pinned messages and the chat history, posting thoughtfully and on topic, not spamming, is the foundation. But if you want to get genuine value from Telegram communities, you need to go further than just avoiding mistakes. Contribute before you take. Before you ask your first question, contribute something. Share something useful. Add to an existing conversation. Demonstrate that you are a member who gives value to the community rather than just someone who shows up to extract information and disappear. Be specific when you ask questions. Vague questions get vague answers or no answers at all. A question like, "Can anyone help me?" is almost useless. A question that clearly describes your situation, what you have already tried, and specifically what you need help with is far more likely to generate a useful response. Respect the expertise in the room. Many Telegram groups, particularly in technical or specialized fields, contain people with significant knowledge and experience. Approach the community with humility. You may know things they do not know. They almost certainly know things you do not know. That mutual respect is what makes communities genuinely valuable. Say thank you. It is basic, but it matters. When someone helps you, acknowledge it. It takes 2 seconds and it builds goodwill that makes people more willing to help you in the future. The golden rules of Telegram group membership. Quick summary. 1. Read the pinned messages before anything else. 2. Scroll back through recent chat history before posting. 3. Never spam the same message across multiple groups. 4. Check the rules before sharing any promotional content. 5. Post complete, thoughtful messages, rather than multiple, rapid, short ones. 6. Stay on topic. 7. Contribute before you take. 8. Be specific when asking questions. 9. Show respect for the community and its members. 10. Say thank you. Follow these 10 rules, and you will be a valued member of any Telegram community you join. And that is a wrap on today's video. Telegram groups are genuinely one of the most valuable resources on the internet when you use them correctly, and genuinely frustrating experiences when you do not. Follow the steps in this guide, and you will be the kind of member that communities want to have. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is your experience with Telegram groups? Hit that like button, subscribe to My Forever Gem, and turn on notifications because we have got a full Facebook groups guide and more coming very soon. See you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay curious, and as always, stay a gem.